Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are trying this out. This is Coca Cola with coffee. So they have these now in store. They're brand new. It's Coca Cola with coffee. I got the caramel flavor. They have this also in a dark blend, and then they also have a vanilla. And they have it also available in Coke Zero with vanilla and the dark blend. I got the caramel flavor, and let's see what this tastes like. And I don't even know what this is gonna taste like, but they have a bunch of soda flavors now. And I just saw the Pepsi pineapple, almost got it, but it was like ripped open, the package. And then I saw these, so these are the Coca-Cola with coffee. And I know Pepsi's coming out with a brand new flavor called, I think it's cocoa, or it's like the hot cocoa with Pepsi. And so let's try this out. And I actually don't drink soda. I haven't drank soda in like 2 to 3 years. But let's see what this tastes like. I'm always down to sample new things because I like to see what things taste like. So we have tried something similar to this, I guess. It was like cranberry blueberry juice mixed with coffee. It was by Ocean Spray. And this one is Coke with coffee. And let's see what Coke with coffee tastes like with a little caramel flavor, or caramel, however you'd like to say it. And yeah, so this probably has a lot of caffeine in it because Coke already has caffeine and coffee definitely has caffeine. Okay, so this can comes in this little skinny tube. It's skinnier than like a regular Coke can, but it is a lot taller. It is only 70 calories, which is crazy because this is 12 fluid ounces and a regular Coke is also 12 fluid ounces, but this is only 70 calories, so I guess it's a little healthier than Coke. And so yeah, let's open it up and try it. Alright. Okay, so it smells just like Coke with a very slight hint of coffee, and kind of smells like a vanilla coffee. Okay, so let's try this out and see what this tastes like. It says it's a great Coca-Cola taste blended with rich, luxurious coffee. Okay, so what this tastes like is it tastes like Coca-Cola with like a blend of caramel coffee, and it's not like overpowering or anything. Okay, so the coffee taste isn't very overpowering, which is really nice. And then like it has like a kind of deeper coffee taste once you like. Okay, so what this tastes like is it tastes like regular Coca-Cola, and it has a very slight taste of like caramel, vanilla, coffee, and it's not strong at all in terms of like coffee flavor. It's very subtle, and it just blends in like really well that I'm like very confused, like, because for some reason I thought this would taste like really, really intense. Okay, so it's really interesting how it tastes, kind of like literally almost tastes like regular Coke with a little subtle hint. And then I mean, if you really like this, it's only 70 calories, and as opposed to like if you get a regular Coke and it tastes like regular Coke. But if anything, if you wanted less sugar or something, they also have this in like the Coke Zero. And like the slim can is kind of like really appealing just because it's like, I don't know, it's just nice. Fits in your little glove department and the cup holder. Take it on the go. It's like a quick little pick-me-up. Okay, so I know a lot of people would actually really like this. It blends like so well. It's really smooth and it feels like it would be super, super strange, but it's actually not, which is really surprising. And this is like perfect for a little pick-me-up. And I know like people are obsessed with coffee, so if you need that coffee, you can get it easily with your Coke now. And I feel like someone would try to make like a frap out of this, and maybe we should have done that. But that also sounds kind of weirdly gross. But also I feel like people would really like a frap out of this because people love to drink frappuccinos. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like this, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want a Coca Cola Frappuccino.